As a freelancer, you can earn 1 to 1.5 lakh per month, depending on the service you provide. You don't need any degree or CGPA to start freelancing. You can even do it along with your full-time job. To create a second or passive source of income, the best part, you can work from anywhere, get tax benefit, and enjoy complete flexibility. Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel Arcade Codemaster. I have been freelancing for the last 2 years, and in today's video, I have shared a complete roadmap on how you can start freelancing and find clients and grow your income. As since 2 weeks, I have not uploaded any video on this channel and also not replied to any of the comments because I am working on one client project and I have recently submitted it. So let's start to our video. So first discuss what is freelancing. So it's a flexible work style where you sell your skill to multiple clients on a project basis. You work independently and on your own schedule. So to start freelancing, first step is identify your skill. Like for example, graphic designing, content writing, web development, digital marketing, video editing or virtual assistant. So select one of the skills from this and start doing work. So second step is do market research. Understand what services are in demand and how much people are charging. Okay, third step is build your online presence. For that purpose, you have to create a portfolio, use social media or make a personal website. Even if you don't know the coding skill, you can learn coding and start building your website. You can also take a help from ChatGPT to build your own website. Marketing yourself. Promote your skills using job boards, cold markets, content marketing, networking, events, and referral from past clients. And step 5 is start with freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are a great place to begin. In the beginning, you may have to charge less or even work for free to build your portfolio. But later, you can increase your price. And step 6 is collect reviews and testimonials. This builds trust and help you get more clients. And last step is think long term. Like diversify your client base, increase your price step by step. Keep marketing yourself and keep learning new skills to stay ahead. Remember, freelancing is not a fixed salary job. It's a business. The more skill and quality you bring, the more you can earn. And you can start freelancing anytime, anywhere, whether you are in school, college, or already working. There is a huge potential. For example, one UI designer earned $60,000. Even in India, many freelancers are making great money. And I have suggested some of the freelancing platforms like Contra, Bar, People Per Hour, We Work Remotely, and TalkTalk. You can also use Mercor, but you need more patience for this platform. So thank you friends for watching this video. Comment below if you want more platform suggestion or have any questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more earning tips. Thank you.